Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. As you might have been knowing that I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine and MD in Ayurvedic physiology. For paid online consultation, you can definitely WhatsApp on 922681060. My dear friends, this is a type of the different videos that I am making about Ayurvedic perspective regarding dental care or oral hygiene. And today, that this particular video is a part of this discussion. Today, we will discuss about tongue scraping. So, what is tongue scraping in Ayurveda? Tongue scraping is needed when you have such type of the coated tongue or you have the different problem related with digestive system or oral hygiene. So let us discuss to start in tongue scraping. Hello, my dear friends. We brush, we floss, maybe we even rinse, but are we forgetting a crucial part of our mouth? Our tongue. Did you know that cleaning your tongue daily is a key Ayurvedic practice for better health, fresher breath, and even enhance the taste? Today, we are diving into the simple but profound practice of tongue scraping. Our tongue is not a smooth part. It is covered with tiny bumps, which is called as papillae, where the food particles, dead cells, and bacteria can accumulate, forming a visible coating. Ayurveda recognized this centuries ago, calling the practice Jihva Nirlekhana. Jihva means tongue and Nirlekhana is a scraping and deeming it essential for removing Sanskrit word that means toxins. Yes. Modern dentistry also agrees. Dentists emphasize that cleaning the tongue is a vital for reducing the bacteria responsible for bad breath and other oral issues. This simple habit of tongue scraping has impressive payoff. Number one, tongue scraping, Jihva Nirlekhana, removes the bacteria and toxins, physically scraps away the buildup harboring bacteria and toxins. Naturally, it reduces the bad breath. A huge amount of odor causing bacteria resides on the tongue. Scraping removes them directly. This is often more effective for bad breath than just brushing. Next benefit, improves the taste sensation. Removing the coating allows your taste buds to function better. So, food tastes more vibrant. Coffee tastes like coffee again. Activates the taste buds. Directly stimulating the taste bud is very helping for us. Tongue scraping improves overall dental health, reducing the bacterial load in your mouth, benefits your teeth, and of course, gums too. Tongue scraping boosts awareness. It helps you check in with your body. The coating on your tongue can sometimes indicate digestive health according to Ayurveda. So this tongue scraping takes just few seconds. Here is the technique. Choose your tool. Ideally, use a dedicated tongue scraper, often made of stainless steel or copper. Copper has a natural antimicrobial properties. In a pinch, the edge of a clean spoon can work, but scrapers are more effective. Best done this tongue scraping in the morning after brushing your teeth before eating or drinking anything. Extend your tongue. Stand in front of a mirror. Open your mouth and stick your tongue out comfortably. Place and scrap. Place the curved edge of the scraper as far back on your tongue as much it is comfortable. Don't gag. Gentle pressure. Apply firm but gentle pressure and pull the scraper forward towards the tip of your tongue. You will see the coating being removed onto the scraper. Then rinse the scraper. Rinse the gunk of the scraper under running water. Repeat the scraping motion 3 to 5 times, rinsing the scraper each time until your tongue feels and looks cleaner. Cover the whole surface. Rinse your mouth thoroughly after this scraping. Now, about the scraping, be gentle, especially when when you are starting in your life. Don't press so hard to hurt yourself. Clean your tongue scraper well after each use with soap and water. Replace the plastic scrapers periodically. Metal ones last much longer. My dear friends, consistency is the key. Make it a daily habit. Such a simple step, yet such a profound benefits for your breath, taste, and overall oral health. Tongue scraping is a game changer and a cornerstone of Ayurvedic daily routine, that is Dinacharya daily regimen. Do you already scrap your tongue? I am very curious to know. Are you going to start? Let me know your thoughts and experiences below in the comment section. Please like this video. If you learned something new, subscribe for more wellness wisdom and hit that bell button icon. I wish you happy scrapping. My dear friends, I wish you all the best. Take care and see you in the next video.